Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear subscribers, I hope that you are all doing well and great in your lives. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Biology with Naz with another interesting video, that is Introduction to Central Nervous System, description of brain structure and the overview of parts of brain. First of all, we must know what is central nervous system. Central nervous system is a system of neurons that consist of brains and spinal cord. Our central nervous system controls and coordinates everything we do, including muscle movements, organ functioning, complex thinking, planning, our postures, our reflex arcs, our sensory informations, etc. As we discussed earlier, the central nervous system comprises of two parts. One of those is brain and second one is spinal cord. In today's video, we will discuss the brain. So what is brain? It is an organ of soft nervous tissues contained in the skull of vertebrates, that is also called cranium. It functions as the coordinated center of sensation and intellectual and all those nervous activities that we discussed previously. The structure of brain comprises of three basic components. One of those is cranium, that is the bony skull. Our brain is situated or protected by a bony skull. Inside the bony skull, there are three layers of meninges. What is the function of meninges? Meninges protect brain. It provides nutrients and oxygen to brain tissue through their blood capillaries. Third structure of brain is cerebrospinal fluid, that is shortly termed as CSF. The brain contains fluid-filled ventricles that are continuous within the central canal of spinal cord. Fluid within ventricles and central canal is called cerebrospinal fluid. You will define it as CSF is a clear, colorless liquid found in the brain and spinal cord. What is the function of CSF? It protects brain and spinal cord from trauma. It supplies nutrients to nervous system tissues, and it removes waste products from cerebral metabolism. If we talk about the composition of CSF, it's mainly composed of water constituents, and solid is also present in the very slight amounts. What is the division of brain? Our brain comprises of three main regions, that is forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Let us discuss the forebrain. It is the largest area of brain. It comprises of following three subdivisions, that is thalamus, hypothalamus and cerebrum. What are the overall functions of forebrain? It functions in consciousness, control of feelings like rage, pain, fear, sorrow, etc. It controls skeletal muscles, thinking, intelligence, emotions. It also controls motor functions, permits conscious control of skeletal muscles, coordinates movement involved in speech. It also receives and analyzes visual information, and also it is concerned with the hearing and smell. On the second number, that is called midbrain. As the name indicates, this part of brain lies between two other parts, that is forebrain and hindbrain. What are the functions of midbrain? It controls auditory reflexes and postures. It also receives sensory information and sends it to the appropriate part of forebrain. On the third number, that is the last part of brain, also called hindbrain. It consists of following three major parts, that is medulla oblongata, cerebellum and pons. What are the overall functions of hindbrain? It controls breathing, blood pressure, and heart rate. It controls many reflexes such as vomiting, sneezing, coughing, etc. It coordinates muscle movement and all those information that passes between spinal cord and rest of the brain pass through the hindbrain. It also coordinates muscle movement and it also serves as a connection between cerebellum and spinal cord. In the next video, we will discuss in detail the forebrain, its different part and function of each part in detail. Till then, take care of yourself and your beloved one and don't forget to subscribe and share my channel with the others. Thank you.